Have you ever noticed that when someone yawns, it almost instantly makes you want to yawn too?
What's up with that?
Yawning is one of those weird things that's super contagious. It all comes down to something called mirror neurons. These are special brain cells that activate, not just when you do something, but when you see someone else doing it too. So when you see someone yawn, your mirror neurons kick in, making you feel like yawning as well. But here's the wild part. Yawning might be contagious because it helps us bond as a group. Scientists believe that when we yawn together, it's a way of syncing up our alertness levels, kind of like how wolves howl together. So the next time someone yawns around you and you just can't resist, blame it on your brain trying to keep everyone in sync. Who's yawning now? For more mind-blowing facts, hit that subscribe button.